Best fertilizer for Ixora plant. Ixora plants are known for their vibrant, cluster-like flowers and glossy green leaves. To keep them blooming beautifully, the right fertilizer is key. The best fertilizer for Ixora is a balanced, slow-release fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, such as October 10-10 or 14-14-14 NPK formula. This helps promote healthy foliage and consistent blooming. For even better results, use an acidic fertilizer, similar to those used for azaleas or gardenias. Ixora thrives in slightly acidic soil, and these fertilizers help maintain the pH level around 5.5 to 6.5. Apply fertilizer once every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, usually from spring to early fall. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much nitrogen can lead to lush leaves but fewer flowers. Additionally, use organic compost or liquid seaweed fertilizer monthly to boost micronutrients and support root health. Water the plant well after fertilizing, and ensure good drainage to avoid root burn. With the right care and fertilizer, your Ixora will reward you with a stunning display of color all season long.